In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in QuickBooks. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can create invoices that not only meet your business needs but also reflect your brand's unique style. Let's dive in and make those invoices as personal and professional as possible. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. As you open the QuickBooks website, look for the sign in option. If you're new to QuickBooks, be sure to have your credentials ready. Having your username and password on hand will ensure you're able to move through these steps smoothly. Once you're signed in, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. QuickBooks offers several different products, but today we're focusing on the online version for its flexibility and ease of use, especially when managing tasks like customizing invoices. With QuickBooks Online selected, type in your credentials to continue, enter the email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Double check this information to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, click continue to gain access to your dashboard. Now that you're in, it's time to navigate to the settings. In QuickBooks Online, settings are your gateway to customization. You'll often find a gear icon at the top right of the screen. That's your settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Inside the settings menu, look for the custom form styles option. This is where you have the flexibility to tailor your invoices to suit your business's aesthetics and functionality. Click on custom form styles to view your available options. Next, you'll see a list of form styles. Click on the default form. This default will serve as your starting point and you can modify it to better represent your brand. Don't worry if it seems a bit basic at first, this is just the foundation for the customizations you'll be adding. Once you've opened the default form, you're ready to start editing. This is where the creative process truly begins. You can adjust elements like the color scheme, layout, and even add your company logo. Remember, the goal is to make it both functional and visually appealing to your clients. After making all the desired changes, review your form to ensure it meets your requirements and don't hesitate to make additional adjustments if necessary. Once you're satisfied, click on the Done button to save your customizations. By doing this, you ensure your invoices are ready to be sent out with your personal touch added. There you have it, your very own customized invoice. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to make any invoice alterations inside QuickBooks Online. Feel free to revisit and refine your designs as your business evolves. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.